Hello birders, it's Simbird here, and it's December, just before Christmas. Very cold, we've had some snows and they're starting to melt a bit, but it's freezing today. And what have we got here? Another silhouetted bird. I can't make it out. If you can ID this would be brilliant. Post a comment below. I know my garden birds, but I'm trying to learn farmland and heath birds. This is at Devil's Spitful, or Spadeful, some people call it. It's a reserve looked after by the Wyre Wildlife Trust. Looks like they've got a bonfire down there. Anyway, this was all white snow, and it's melted a bit now, but it's gone cold again, freezing. So it stopped thawing for a bit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. This was Simbird. Bye for now.